Good morning, folks. We were delayed today because apparently my children had enough sleep by 5 a.m. I am dad first, and the sun is taking mercy upon us space weathermen at the moment. Filament eruptions look pretty, don't they? But there isn't much to analyze in terms of solar terrestrial physics. Solar wind won't amplify until the coronal hole stream arrives. The northern sunspots aren't doing much of anything. In fact, it's the smaller southern spots pounding out the CMEs at the moment. Nice one there on SOHO coronagraphs. We've got eyes open, but it's calm for now. Several weather alerts here. The lows in East Asia are pulling offshore today with convergence aimed at Japan, while southward we'll see those convergences juiced up all around that southern high pressure node. Localized extreme flooding is possible given the high moisture content and slow moving nature of both of those systems. Meanwhile, tonight in the United States, the day's heat will provide the energy heading into the convergence, which will actually stretch a wild distance from Central America up to the hook shape in eastern Canada. Red marker on the Black Sea here, and it should be pretty obvious which path the Mediterranean would take into the Black Sea. Turns out, that has happened over and over and over again in the great disasters we often discuss. Yes, I would expect that again through the same pathway in the zenith of the upcoming disaster. Deep confirmation here of the geomagnetic jerk aspect of Earth's wobble, a nod to the overall power of the geomagnetic system jerking around our planet, and a reminder of what happens during the great solar flash that induces to the core and triggers the greatest jerk of all. Speaking of which, an update on Earth's rotation speeding up and the days growing minusculely shorter, which is also a function of extra energy into the system with Earth's weakening magnetic field. Numbers creeping faster on the year overall, with us still expected to shatter the fastest day on record several times in the coming months. And a last reminder, no, you're not going to feel these slight changes. The low velocity zone holding the crust in place upon the liquid rock ocean beneath it will notice it. We greatly appreciate your support. Learn more with the Earth Disaster Document.